you have a question? Or Chang Hui, do you have a question? Simultaneous. Okay. I don't want you all to, don't copy this yet, because I want to be consistent. What I've told you all is to use substitution. Too much talking, too much talking. I don't want to raise my voice. Hong Liang, I've always said that I prefer to use substitution, so I'm not going to carry on with substitution first. But I want to make it clear that in this case, elimination is actually easier. It's just that for elimination, you need to be a bit more creative. If you cannot do that, just take substitution, it is fine. Now, looking at equation 1 and equation number 2, you want to make x or y the subject. It is your choice. Both of them, both equation, x, y, all equally troublesome. All troublesome. So just choose any one of them. Let's start with equation 1. From 1. Let's make x the subject. 3x, 1 minus 2y. X, 1 minus 2y over 3. Standard steps. Let's call this equation number 3. Sub into 2. Okay, I am doing substitution. Why am I substituting into equation number 2? Because I got this from equation 1. I have to link it with equation 2. No point substituting back into equation 1 because you will get rubbish. Right, Chang Hui? From equation 1, then you sub back into equation 1, you get 0 equals 0, right? So no point 1. You have to sub into the other equation. So sub into 2. Every time you see the x, you change it to 1 minus 2y over 3. So 7x, 1 minus 2y over 3. 7x minus 2y equals to 9. This is your substitution. Let's carry on. 7, 1 minus 2y over 3 minus 2y over 1 equals to 9 over 1. I'm just changing all into fraction because later you combine. Okay, so far? 7 minus 14y. I'm now expanding already. Over 3 minus 6y over 3 equals to 9 over 1. Am I going too fast? Shella, okay? Okay, same denominator already? Combine. 7 minus 14y minus 6y over 3 equals to 9. Where I get 6y, is it? Okay. Here, I want to make the denominator same. This is 3, this is 1. So I times 3 times 3. Okay, next one. Next step. 7 minus 14 minus 6y. So 7 minus 20y over 3 equals to 9 over 1. This is substitution, standard step 1. Very standard. Yeah, tedious. Because this particular question, elimination is a bit easier. But I just want to show you your substitution first, which will always work. Multiply over. Seven minus 20y, hang on, equals to 27. So negative 20y equals to 27 minus 7, which is 20. Y is negative 1. Okay, same, Sub into 3. Early on, what was your 3? 1 minus 2y over 3. X equals to 1 minus 2, y over 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 over 3, 1. So this is our substitution in blue color. Why not 1 minus 9? Okay, L3, I'll answer your question in a while. So this is a substitution. Anybody still need substitution on the screen? Okay, then carry on. Elimination now. You need more time, is it? Chin-Hao, okay? Okay, so now the question is, what if we were to use elimination? Unjani, Hain. Hong Liang. Okay, next one I call Aloysius already. Because Aloysius is the one turning over, is it? Please run. I don't think so. Okay, next one. So looking at the two equations, substitution, as you correctly point out, quite tedious. Because the making x the subject involves a fraction. You are right. In this particular case, look at the coefficients of x and y. Here you have positive 2y, you have negative 2y. This is actually a hint for you to use elimination. How do we get rid of 2y and negative 2y at the same time? Yes, we add them up. Imagine if you owe somebody $10, how do you cancel it out? No. You owe somebody $10, so you negative 10. To cancel it out, to eliminate, you need to plus $10 to eliminate. Plus and minus will cancel out. So that is what we are going to do in this case. We're going to add them together. Let's add the yellow color part and the blue color part. So this is the addition. Yellow highlighted, blue highlighted. We are adding. Okay, get a structure. Left side plus left side equal to right side plus right side. Does it make sense to you? Does it make sense to you? Left plus left equal to right plus right. Don't make sense. Don't agree. Okay, watch. Suguan. Everybody else, look at the screen. Do you agree with these two equations? All right. What happens if I call this equation 1 and this is equation 2? And then I say equation 1 plus equation 2. What is going to happen? Take the left-hand side plus the left-hand side. That is what I'm going to write. 3 plus 1 plus 7 minus 1. I'm adding. Equals to the right-hand side. We have 4 plus 6. Let's confirm if this is correct. 3 plus 1 plus 7 minus 1 equals 4 plus 6. What does this give us? Do you see the negative 1 and plus 1 cancel? So we are left with 3 plus 7. Same. Okay, so this is our elimination. That's what we are doing here. So when you expand, we're going to end up with negative 2y, positive 2y. They cancel off. No more already. So we are left with 10x equals to 1, 10x equals to 10, and x equals to 1. If it is positive, positive, then you minus. Negative, negative, minus. Okay, you are correct. Opposite sign, just add. So with that, substitute, you get the other value of y. Provided the coefficient same. Okay, car logo. What car is this? What brand is this? Mercedes. Okay, line of symmetry, 3 lah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rotational symmetry. Take your paper and turn. How many times do you see it? 3 times. Do you see the same Mercedes logo appear 3 times? Yes, so that is rotational symmetry 3. Okay, check this one. Need help? Raise hand. Need help? Raise hand. Yes. Yes. Okay, this question, anybody needs help? None? Okay, moving on. Part B, anybody needs help? Hmm? Ten, huh? You need help? Need help? You want to show me, is it? Let me see. Wrong fund, wrong offer. Okay, so same issue. When you're dealing with money, run off to 2DP. Money, 2DP. Please write this down as your notes. When you're dealing with money, round it off to 2DP, not 3SM. 2DP. Nearest cent. Hey, Wang Fan, what's happening outside? Anybody needs more time? Wang Wei, Yukiko, if you need help, raise hand. Huh? Anybody needs more time? Oh, check. Okay, why is that? 12.42. Anybody needs help? That's third. Oh, this one no reason one. So anybody needs help? None. Okay. Angle ZXY 46. And then the final one is Pythagoras theorem. That's third. You're talking about trigonometry? You're talking about Torcaso? Torcaso not tested. Oh, similarity. That is part A lah. Yes. Can. Yeah, so what you're asking is similar triangles and congruent triangles. If it makes sense, then it's okay. Yeah. I must use it correctly. And then Ziguan, you must know, you must know, Ziguan must know. Question 7. Okay, this is still tested. Perpendicular bisector of AB. So you'll draw one line like this, one line like this. Okay, so that's the cockroach. Then join up the 2 points. So this is our A part 1. Angle bisector CAB. Draw the island. Draw the 2 coconut leaf. And join. So this is our A part 2. Angle bisector cut circle at X. Measure the length of BX. Oh, yo. CAB. It cuts at 2 points. Okay, now for part B, there's actually an issue with the question. Your angle bisector cuts at 2 different points. This is X1 and this is X2. This shouldn't have happened. I hope the students last year actually asked the examiner, hey, how come got cut at 2 points? So which distance you want me to measure? Is it this distance or is it this distance? Okay, because you say the angle bisector cut the circle at point X, but I cut at 2 points. So question got problem. If you think question got problem, don't be shy, raise your hand. Say, I want to check whether this question got problem. Then I will come and check. So measure the length of BX, whatever the answer is, you know how to do it. Okay, next one, 8A. Sector area 35.6. Are you all recognizing that the questions are always the same? Yes, that means that you have to know how to do it. Okay. Next, perimeter. Both are the same, pi d and 2 pi r. Yes, yes. Is it 25.9? $25.8. Can I move on? ID. Kaiser, got do your work or just copy answer? I don't want to waste time letting you all copy answer if you didn't try. Okay, ratio of distance cycle and swam. Take note that the units are different. So you need to convert to the same units first. Part B. Need help? Raise hand. For 40 over 1.5. You're talking about part A or part B? 40 over 40 to what? Then wrong lah. Must be whole number. Cannot be fraction, cannot be decimal. Because changing to hour. 165 is minutes. So we need to change to hour. Change to hour. Because they wanted it in per hour. Or you can do it separately also can. Any questions? Moving on. Okay, arranging only. I think you should be okay. Arranging, check your answers. Okay, wait. Lagging. Yeah, put this in front. Oh, yeah. Answers checked. Any issues? Volume of sphere. When you see volume of sphere, must be happy because formula given already. 4/3 pi r cube. Formula is in our cover page. Regine, why are you looking at phone? No. And then surface area of the cone. Also in the formula, pi RL. Okay, both of these are just direct application of the formula. There is nothing for you to think about. You just need to be aware what L stands for in the pi RL for curved surface area of a cone. Yes, length, slant height, the slant length. Okay, so for a cone, this is L. Because 56 is the diameter. Radius will be divided by 2. Yes. So here, okay? Okay, now we have money. 100 cm cube costs $2.40. How much does 3958.4 cm cube cost? Take note that they are using the more precise one, 5 lesser. They are not using 3SM, so that we get a more accurate answer. So this is the same, where we have our division and multiplication. Very expensive, this lampshade. Cannot 2 dp. Money 2 dp. I said it just now, right? Where? Yeah. Okay, lagging. Have not, Aussie. Money 2 dp. What? Next one. 94.2, 94.8. Is it because you use 3960 cm? What is the area that you used? Did you use 3958.4? Where go see nearest dollar? Aussie, what did I say? Tell Shamim. Question 12. NML. NML. So this angle, it is the same as your 61. Our reason, very good. NML equals to 61 degrees, corresponding angles, parallel lines. The letter F is shown here. Yeah. No, even a right angle triangle, what tonkatsu you talking about? You know tonkatsu is for right angle triangle, right? Then you're just making things difficult for yourself, huh? Yes? What? Do Prelim what? Class, huh? What do you think? No lah, we're supposed to sit in front. Not supposed to walk around. COVID. I will. I will say in my heart. Why you never listen? Cannot, then that's cheating already. Okay, next one, part B. Come on, quickly, part B. Okay, part C. And Ziguan, this is what you are talking about. Similar triangles. What do you say? No question already, Shami. Girls, all okay so far? Shami, what exactly is your question? Why? Why 32 and 35? Okay. We want to find the length of JL. JL is here. Okay, Shamim. So JL is corresponding to JK. So JL over JK equals to, so we had a big triangle over the small triangle. So I want another length of the big triangle over the length of a small triangle. What do we have? 56 over 35. Do you agree? So then what is the value of JK? 32. So that's where we have JL over 32 is 56 over 35. Okay? Check answer. Need help? Raise hand. Umaira, okay? Nobody needs help? Yaljit, your question empty. No, CMQ not equal to milliliter. Oh, okay. I know what you're asking. 1 cm cube equals to 1 ml. Yes, these two equal. 1000 cm cube equals to 1000 ml equals to 1 liter. So this is the conversion you need to know. Must memorize. Where got 5 SF? Oh, you mean this one, is it? Because before you round off, you always write it as 5 SF first. No. Don't even write the whole thing. 5 SF enough already. Then round off to 3 SF. Always, remember. No need to write your whole calculator. Too many already. Okay, so here we need to fill out the bottle 4 plus times. 4 plus, they want fully filled. So we need 5 times. Not 4. 4 is insufficient. All right, 2 more pages to go. Done with this page? Yes, let's go. Okay, this one is just a conversion. Okay, 2 more pages. I'm not controlling it, it's lagging. Okay, moving on. Part A, 720. Part A, saving $720. Any issues? Part B. So we are trying to find out whether she has enough money for $500 for vacation. So you subtract all the expenses, minus. Oh, she only got $418. So cannot go holiday already. Yeah, anyway now got COVID, don't go overseas. Remaining amount. Okay, she should not go. Yeah, she cannot go because not enough money. Go have $500. That was the savings. Okay, last one, ready? Ready? Done? No. Next one. Percentage increase. Percentage increase. Find the increase, divide by original times 100%, 9%. 9%.